Let's take a look at Coinbase today on the daily and weekly charts. Well, what's going on, right? Well, it's a decline, right? It's a correction, and it's a trend reversal taking place towards the downside. So one leg down right here, second leg down. Bears are attempting to reach the 248 level. So almost reaching a measure move target for the bears and potential bounce opportunity right around that mid 200 level. It's below this trend line, so you want to see at least a strong break above this trend line to get back in, bullish territory. And we need to see a strong break also above 296, 300, because that can act as resistance if we do come back up to it. So overall, it's a correction as of right now. It looks like price is, almost coming to an end in this trend, potentially. And we'll see what happens very soon when it hits probably the 240s, 250s. And that's if it gets there, but I think there's a high probability we do get there, especially with it not showing any signs of strength as of right now in this decline. So Coinbase, it's looking weak and wants to correct lower. It makes sense because we just hit the prior all-time high not too long ago, back here in July. So if that was prior resistance, it can be resistance again. You can see there's a perfect double top, leading to a decline. We're back pretty much at the same price as in March of 2024. So really not that much of a gain or a difference in that much of time. And overall, the chart is, not that bullish, right? If you're going to classify this as a trend, it's not really a strong trend, right? A trend makes consistently higher highs, higher lows. Well, we did see a higher high, but, we're back pretty much same more than a year later. We're back at the same price level as in March of 2024. So not a good sign there. But let's see what happens. I'm not expecting this drop to continue much lower unless we see a bounce very soon, which is probably going to be soon right now, or probably at the 240, 248 level or 250 level. So expecting a bounce there. Let's see what happens. Let's just see how strong that bounce is. And that will tell you what you need to know, right? If the trend is going to reverse or not. Small bounces will lead to continuation to the downside. Big bounces can lead to a trend reversal. Looking at the weekly chart, it's a lot of volatility going on. Actually, it's correcting lower. Don't really have a nice trend line I can draw as of right now. Except probably towards the downside. You see there's a nice little trend line off the swing highs right about here. So we're still in this downtrend decline. So we'll see what happens. Coinbase is approaching a potential low point, and we'll see if that's strong enough to reverse the price, or it's just going to be coming back to retest resistance levels and then continue working its way down. So overall, Coinbase, you have to wait and see what happens in the next couple of days when it reaches probably the 250 level, mid 200s, and then we'll go from there. It's the Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.